Hello and hope you are happy. If you want to know more about Bitcoin digital currency, we suggest you follow the interesting facts of Bitcoin in this video. Bitcoin is an internet innovation with functions similar to unsecured money or government money. The innovationness of Bitcoin means that its creators have been able to turn it from an idea into an economic reality in a short period of time. Because in the last few years, the value of Bitcoin in global markets has increased from a few $100s to several $1,000s. In the following, we will learn more about the interesting facts of Bitcoin. Stay with us. Bitcoin is a money mining. Bitcoin holdings are expected to exceed $21 million by 2140. Bitcoin acts like a mine in that in traditional financial systems, the government can easily print money when needed, but money is not printed in Bitcoin. But Bitcoins are mined from an unlimited mine, and this extraction is done by computers around the world and they compete with each other for it. When Bitcoins are transferred through the Bitcoin network, the transactions that take place during this transfer are sorted in a list called the block for a certain period of time. The work of these computers that perform the extraction operation is to confirm these transactions and receive a reward as a Bitcoin for it.
Like this video right now and subscribe our YouTube channel.
One of the interesting facts about Bitcoin is the so-called mining computers, which require a lot of energy to run. Recent estimates from an IT site show that the motherboards on these computers consume 215 kilowatt per hour of power per Bitcoin transaction. Imagine 300,000 transactions being made every day. And as the value of this money increases, we will see an increase in the consumption of electricity consumed. Do you know what a Bitcoin unit is? The smallest unit of Bitcoin is Satoshi, named after the creator of the Bitcoin, Satoshi Nakamoto. Each Satoshi is equivalent to 1 million Bitcoins. Can Bitcoin make anyone rich? Bitcoin is said to be a profitable trade, and it seems that Bitcoin has apparently outperformed the central bank's currency since 2011, except in 2014 when its price fell due to problems and demand for this currency has risen and its price has risen. Many people consider Bitcoin as a profitable tool compared to the currency because of the price fluctuations and high cost involved. Few merchants accept this digital currency. But Bitcoin still cannot be trusted. If a large number of people still do not accept this digital money and are afraid to deal with it, they should be given the right, because more than 980,000 Bitcoins have been stolen from exchanges so far by hackers and internal attackers, and this amount is equivalent to $10 billion of the current exchange rate. But it is said that to some extent these problems have been resolved and Bitcoin security has increased. One of the interesting facts about Bitcoin is that its original owner is unknown. Despite many attempts to find the original creator of Bitcoin, we still do not know who Satoshi Nakamoto was. An Australian entrepreneur named Craig Wright convinced some prominent members of the Bitcoin community that he was his own failure. But the Bitcoin community immediately sought to find fault with the evidence provided by Craig Wright, and after rejecting this claim, it became clear that still the owner of Bitcoin is unknown. Some have suggested that Satoshi Nakamoto may be a pseudonym, a name that may have been created by a group of developers or a specific individual. You may be interested to know that pizza was the first product to be purchased by Bitcoin. After the first Bitcoin exchange between Satoshi and Hal Finney in 2009, it was the first registered purchase for a $25 pizza. It is interesting to know 10,000 Bitcoins were paid to buy this food. What is your idea about this video? Did you know anything about Bitcoin? Do you want to invest on this cryptocurrency? Leave your comments for us.